Hello 朋友们，大家好 Welcome to Lian's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow.
Today I will teach you how to make restaurant-style Moo Shu Pork. This recipe is very simple and satisfying. Now let's get started. Here are the Mu-Shu wrap I use. You can find them at any Chinese store. Let's start by cutting the cabbage. Then roughly cut the wood ear. I use dried wood ear in this recipe and already soaked for 1 hour. Now let's cut the pork into strips. Let's trim the fat off. I am using pork shoulder, but you can use whatever you like. Now add water and cornstarch in the pork and mix it. Then add vegetable oil into mix. Mix, crack and beat eggs. Now for the sauce, we want to mix soy sauce, hoisin sauce, chicken powder, and sugar. Mix everything together. To start cooking, we want to add some oil into a hot wok. Then add in the pork and cook it all the way through. Remove from the heat. Now add some more oil in a clay wok and scramble the eggs. Then add in the wood ear and bamboo. Now add in the cabbage, beansprouts, and pork. When the cabbage starts to red, add in the sauce. When it's done, remove it from the heat, then put it on a plate. Now we need to steam the Mu-Shu skin for 2 minutes. Let's assemble the Mu-Shu wrap. Take a Mu-Shu skin, add some hoisin sauce. Now add some filling. Fold one side of the wrap and keep the other side open. Roll it up and it's done.
Wow, looks good. Time for this text. It's savory and sweet from the hoisin sauce. The vegetables have a nice crunch. I really like the wood ear. The texture is very crunchy. It's very delicious. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见